Hello and welcome to another video from the Inspiration College. Now, if you are new to this channel, then this is where we do different videos in different niches, so you will find something that will suit you. And if you like the content, that you could subscribe to the channel, you could also share the video and also leave a comment and of course like the video. Now, if you are a regular visitor and you are watching the content and you haven't subscribed yet, I would love for you to do that. If you are a subscriber, then I would love for you to continue to watch the videos and just tell me what you think in the comment section. Now guys, what I'm going to do in this video, as you can see on the screen, eBay. So I'm going to do a video on eBay now because I'm seeing the different videos and the scoreboard. I'm seeing the different the traffic, the different views coming to the videos, and so this is giving me an indication of the type of content that you want. So today I'm going to do this video on eBay, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you a product and how you can actually use your blog. That's if you have a blog website and you have visitors coming to that blog, then you can drive those visitors to your listing on eBay, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. So let us, well, actually, as you can see on the screen here, this is my personal account, and eBay has, I think, 3 subscriptions where you can have a shop, and you would even get more benefits if you have a shop. I think the basic shop is for £19 per month or $19, I'm not so sure, but at the moment I'm using the personal or the individual account, and you're given limited listings anyway, but it's still a lot of listings to start out with. So as you can see, that's the front of this individual, I would call it individual store or shop, and I'm going to show you the product. So guys, this is the product that I've listed, and as you can see, Wi-Fi video smart technology doorbell. You're talking about home security system. So I have 4 available and I sold 1 already. So this one is not through my blog. I sold this one through buyers coming to eBay and finding it, and as you can see, I'm selling it for £42.45, and obviously it's a doorbell alarm system, video alarm system. And if you continue to scroll down, then you can see the description here, so potential buyers can read on the description and know exactly what this is. But what if I want to use my blog, because already I have traffic coming to my blog website? So what if I want to use my blog to drive traffic to my listing, so I could get some organic sales, because you don't want to always be depending on running ads on eBay, promoted listing ads or the advanced listing ads. You would want to get organic sales also. So if I could go over to my blog here to show you what I'm talking about. So guys, this is my blog website, and I just did this blog a couple of hours ago. As you can see, the date 10th of May 2022. So I'm writing this article on, or I wrote this article on your guide to buying the best home security system for your needs. So this is nearly 2,000 words article, and as you can see here, this is the information going down, and so I'm talking about the whole matter of home security and how homeowners can secure their homes with different types of security alarm, whether it's videos, whether it's you having a guard dog, whether it's different types of security equipment, security cameras and all of that. And you notice I'm not really focusing so much on the video doorbell. I'm just writing in general, educating individuals about home security and how they can secure their homes from burglars and break-ins and all of that. But then I took the liberty of monetizing this blog, because I know that I'm an eBay seller and I'm selling a product which is really suitable for home security. As you can see, this image here you have right by the door here, you would install the video doorbell, and you notice this guy, he's looking like a burglar. So if you look at this other one here, you'd have this person monitoring what the little child is doing. You can actually see here. So she's using her mobile phone to monitor what is happening at her house. So that's how powerful this is. So I say, okay, why not monetize this article with this video doorbell that I'm promoting on eBay, and as you can see here, I even set up a link on the image so that if somebody should click on this link, then it will take them straight to my listing. And now normally how we do it, we normally we sign up for an affiliate of somebody who has a product, and then we would go and write an article, and then we would monetize our blog with that link. But we can also do it with our own product. You even make more money from that. And as you can see here, I have a link here also, so if they should click on this link, it would take them to the listing on eBay. So when they purchase, I'm the one getting the sale. I'm not sharing the sale with the owner of the product, because I'm the owner of the product really. So that's how I'm monetizing it. And as you can see here, I also have Google AdSense in the content here, so if somebody should click on this, they don't have to buy. Google would pay me for that click. So that's how powerful you can use a blog to monetize your content, guys, and to monetize using your product on eBay to monetize your blog content if you have a blog. And here again, if they click on this, it will take them straight to my eBay store. And then I have another link, the last link here. Check out one of my recommended home security system for you, which of course is my own product. So if they should click here, it would take them to my link. So because I know that I have monthly or weekly or daily traffic coming to this blog website, then why not capture some of this traffic so that it can take them straight to my eBay listing, and then hopefully I would get even more sales. So that's just a quick video to show you how you can monetize your blog with other products, and also how you can get more traffic to your eBay listing using your blog. So it's just a two-way system. So you're helping your blog, and you're also helping your eBay listing. So that's just a quick video I want to show you guys, and it's just really for those who have a blog website. If you have a blog website, you can also do that. And obviously if you don't have a blog website, then you could set one up, and you could start writing content based on products that you have on eBay, and not only just to take random content and write it. Obviously you know that people are always thinking about securing their homes and all of that, so you would know that they would want to have systems that they can install to secure their homes. So this is a perfect blog for me to construct, and also to direct people to my listing. So again guys, that's just a tip that you can use to increase traffic both to your blog and also to your listing on eBay. So thanks for watching, and catch you in another video.